Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your pictures talk using free AI apps. So if you want to make a static image of you, let's say, into a dynamic speaking video, here I'm going to show you the steps by using HeyGen AI. So first you need to sign up or create an account on HeyGen. And once you log in, you'll see this shortcut. You can just choose the quick avatar video options. Here you can choose whether you want to use a public avatar or your own avatars. If you want to create your own, you can just click on the my avatars option is in here and then choose start with photo. So you can upload an existing photo or generate a new one in any style with AI. So I'm going to just use this one, upload photo, and here click on select photos. Now choose the photos that you want. For example, I'm going to go with this one, hit on open, and now you can click on upload. Just wait until the photo is uploaded. Continue, and then here you can name the avatar. So I'm going to just go with Lexi, for example, for the age young adult, women. Okay, so the ethnicity, I think HeyGen automatically detect it. Here you can just check this option, click on continue again, and now you can choose the voice. You can click on a play button to review the voice first.
Hope you like it. Hey there, here's how I sound.
Allison, let's try.
Hey there, here's how I sound.
Or maybe Anna.
Hey there, here's how I sound.
I think I'm going to just go with Ivy in here. Click on the voice that you selected and click on next. And now you can go back to the quick avatar video options again. Now click on my avatar, and as you guys can see, the avatar that I uploaded is now added. Click on the avatar that you want to use. Now you can just add the script. So in here you can type your script, or you can also upload or record audio. Hey there, for example, this is me creating a tutorial on how to create an AI avatar video. Okay, I'm going to just go with this. And here you can go choose the motion engine in here and choose the mode, the generation mode, and the expressiveness. I will just go with normal. And here you can also describe the gesture and facial expression that you want. I'm going to just go with, let's say, excited and emotive. Tap on generate video, and let's wait for the result. So my avatar video is ready. Here you can just click on the play button, and this is the result.
Hey there, this is me creating a tutorial on how to create an AI avatar video.
So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.